Thank you for joining me once again. This is the second area of specialization under Gesundheit, that is health. It's Berufe in Ernährung, that is profession in nutrition. Profession in nutrition has different career paths as well, and the first career paths in Beruf in Ernährung, that is DIETASSISTENT, that is a dietitian. The duration for this is 3 years, and what is the job description? As part of doctor's prescription, they assist to create a nutritional therapy plan that they coordinate with the patient. They can work in prevention of food-related illness without a doctor's order. So what they specifically do is they create nutritional history, nutritional status. They help with assessing nutritional status of patients, and the significant work is advising patients, talk to them about eating habits. Where do they find employment? They can be self-employed in their own practice or in hospitals or rehabilitation centers. Do you need a certificate to go into this career path? Yes, you need your diploma. That is the minimum requirement. Your diploma, that is what you can use to start this career path. So if you're interested as being a dietitian, that is assistanting, then this is a career you want to look into. If you need further information, more information about how to proceed, feel free to contact us. The second career path is cooking. That is cook or chef. The duration is 3 years, and what is the job description? They work in kitchens, they cook, large kitchens, small kitchens. They calculate prices and advise how guests should be attended to, and where do they find employment? They find employment in kitchen or restaurants, hotels, hospitals, and nursing homes. So, or even more, foreigner homes. So if you are interested in profession that has to do with cooking, that you are interested in cooking, or you like cooking, or you have a certificate already, this is a career you want to look into. Do you need a certificate? You need your diploma, or also if you don't have any certificate, you can as well go into this career path. If you want to understand how the chefs cook and how to become one, or you're already a professional that wants to broaden your knowledge, then this is a career you want to look into. If you have further questions, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. Kindly share this video with family and friends. It can help someone.